Welcome back with another video, and today I'll be installing a synthetic wig. If you're new to my channel, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you never miss a single video. Outre Melted Hairline Juliet. Look at this color. This is how the curls look and the color. This is how the hairline looks fresh out of the box, pre-plucked. It is a side part, L part to be specific. You get 2 combs on the side, 1 in the back with an elastic band to wear it glueless if you wanted to. The hair is soft, like yaki texture. You do get a couple strands out of this wig. This is how the hairline looks after I plucked it, y'all, and it's giving looks way more natural looking. Cut the ear tabs, make sure you do this, and then I'm just gonna yank the rest of it off. Right here, I'm just making sure I cut enough around the ear tabs, which I did. So I'm about to start cutting from eyebrow to eyebrow, y'all. But this hairline looks so good. Wig dealer melting spray. I'm using it on top of the lace only, so I don't have to worry about it lifting. It's still glueless, by the way, but I just want it to be melted, y'all, and it's already melted. I'm gonna start to comb all the hair going to the back before I start cutting this lace off. Melting band, I keep this on for at least 15 to 20 minutes. Blow dry it on cold settings. And as you can see, this wig is melted, but I'm slicking everything going to the back. You don't want any hairs inside the lace. Take my eyebrow razor and start cutting the lace. I'm cutting the ear tabs first, but I'm gonna start cutting each section one by one. If there's still extra lace, you want to cut that off too. Add makeup in the shade Level 12 by Ruby Kisses and do this slow. And as you can see, the lace is disappearing and it's giving scalp. But I am going to go back in with Wig Dealer melting spray and spray it on top and blow dry it on cold for a double melt. Where is the lace? This wig is growing fresh out of my scalp. It is giving